Hey guys, this is Dave Castine with Vintage Cars Online. Here we have a 1966 427, 425 horse Laguna Blues. We believe it's an original side pipe car, numbers matching all the way through. Restored by Endless Summer Corvettes, Dennis Pace out in Acton, Massachusetts. It's got about 100 miles on the restoration. Runs flawless, gold streak tires. It's Lenny in the car, the owner. Again, all numbers matching, carb to oil pan, fan to rear end. Everything's brand new. Everything's either NOS or rebuilt. Lots of NOS parts in this car. Lots of NOS parts. Speed, manual brakes and disc brakes, manual steering. A lot of fun. Dave Castine, VintageCarsOnline.com. You want a Corvette? This is the one you might want.